In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to put 3 hairs on Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this method, you need to be on the Roblox website, so open up your preferred web browser on your computer and go to www.roblox.com. At the website, make sure to sign into your account properly and afterwards, click on Avatar through the left-sided menu. In here, choose Head and Body and go to the Hair tab, and here are all the hairs I want to equip. So, choose the hairs you want to equip and click on them once. So for example, I want to wear these 3 hairs at once, so just equip all the hairs you want to wear by clicking on them. As you can see, every time I switch hairs, the previous one goes away and I equip the new one. This is okay. Now, go into Recent and click All. You should notice that the hairs we just equipped are all listed here. All we have to do to put 3 hairs at once is to right-click anywhere on the page and select Reload the page. Now I can click on another hair, and as you can see, I'm wearing both hairs at once. For every hair you want to equip at once, you have to reload the page and click on a new one. As you can see, now I was able to put 3 hairs in. I can even reload again and put in 1 more hair. I hope I was able to help you on how to put 3 hairs at once in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.